Yo, what's up guys? It's Lacey. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know I've been gone for a while. I feel like that's my intro now. I've been gone for a while, but I'm back again. And Draco's here too. But anyway, the reason I've been gone for so long is because I have no clue what to do on this channel anymore. I literally have ideas and then I never do them because either it includes 2 people or I have no idea how to pursue that idea. So it's fine. Okay, so before we get into the video, I just want to let you guys know that my cosplay kind of is crappy because I have brown eyes and the anime character that I'm trying to cosplay, he has 1 brown and 1 blue eye. So I don't have contacts right now, but I will. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Peace. I found brownie mix. So everybody's gone, meaning they're not here in the dorms. So they left me alone. I don't know why anybody thought that was a good idea, but they did. Therefore, I'm gonna make brownies, and they're all gonna have to eat them and like it, so let's get started, shall we? Okay. It says that I need a ½ cup of this. ½ cup. I don't know how to do math. Wait. Okay. Okay. I'm doing it right. I'm doing it right. You can't see it, but I'm doing it right. And good. Cool. My hand is all oily now. I should probably take this off because if I get anything on it, Kirishima's gonna kill me. Okay, we're good. Got some messy hair, but it's fine. What else do I need? 3 tablespoons of water. I should probably pour this in, shouldn't I? I didn't think about that. You know what, we're gonna get all the ingredients first and I'll get the water later. So I need 2 eggs. I'll be right back and we're gonna move to a different spot. You can't see me that well, but that's fine because I'm ugly anyway. All I care about is if I can see the bowl. And you can see the bowl. Please. I thought I was about to lose eggs. Can I really not open brownie mix? I'm so lame. Did it. Okay. It smells like heaven and rainbows and everything that's happy. And I get to eat it. Okay. I guess we're gonna pour in the water. No, that's oil. I'm stupid. Okay. Oil. I didn't think about that. Okay. Egg. And then egg. Ow, I hurt myself. And there's shell in it now. Napkin. Oh, it's under. Can I get it? No, I can't get it. Okay, I'm back. I have a bowl that now has water in it. And a good angle, maybe. I'm not really sure. It said tablespoons of water. I thought it said teaspoons of water. Okay. This chair is anymore. I'll be right back with 3 tablespoons of water. I am back and I have the 3 tablespoons of water. I don't know if that's gonna be too much now, but if it is, it's fine. Okay. My cork was not super strength. Can you see? Okay. You can't see my face, but it's better to see the bulb in my face. Trust me. I think it's mixed. I'm not really sure because there's still powder all over his. Thank you, Mr. Air Conditioner, for really interrupting my sentence. I'm about to burn the air conditioner. Actually, no, that's not a good choice. See, I make good choices. I think we're fine. Yeah, we're definitely fine. It doesn't even say how long to preheat the oven for. Oh, it says do not eat raw brownie batter. Heat oven as directed in chart. But there's no chart. Right here, to heat where it says on the chart. Give me a chart then. Oh. See, I'm stupid.
Flashback.
See, I make good choices.
End of flashback.
Oven top. Okay. I have to preheat the oven to 350, so we're gonna do that after I pour this in here. I have to grease the pan first. Oh my god. Got the canola oil, or whatever the hell this is. I don't know how much to spray it. I'm literally just going off of what I see. And I'm using a tissue to blend this. I'm not a beauty guru. I just wiped it off. What? This is gonna turn out tasting like, but you know, it's gonna be okay. Maybe it'll still taste good. That's the dog running around like crazy. Okay. That looks great. Can you pour out faster though? This is great. I feel like we're bonding. So how was your day today? Mine was pretty Found out that my crush has a girlfriend. And then I got left alone and now I'm baking brownies. I also failed my hero permit exam. So that sucks. I hope you're having a good day. Okay, is this done yet? Cool. I know it said not to eat raw brownie mix, but you know what? Okay. Now all that's left to do is wait for the oven to preheat so I can put this in there. I'm back. I have mini muffins. There's also like 44 seconds left. So the brownies are going to be going in soon, and I'm very excited about that because that means I get to eat them. You know, I really wanted chicken soup, but we don't have a microwave because the last time I tried to make chicken soup, actually no, the last time we tried to make chicken soup, and by we, I mean me and Midoriya, he decided it would be a great idea to put it in the microwave without water. So the microwave burnt. So now we don't have a microwave. And it's really sad because all I want is chicken soup. And I can't have it. So that was my little story. I should probably go put the brownies in the oven. Okay. Wow, you can actually see me. Okay. I need oven mitts. These will work. Wait, was it? Wait, we have oven gloves. They're very girly because they're Mina's, but they're cool. And I'm gonna wear them so I don't get burnt. They're a little big, but it's fine. I feel professional. Get away from the oven, you're gonna get burnt. Okay. Excuse me, can you not make that noise? That was stressful. Okay. 22. 22. Start. Okay. Oh, it says 21 minutes. Okay. So now that the brownies are in the oven, we have to wait more. I really don't know what else to do. I made a little ramen story or chicken soup story, whatever the hell you want to call it. But I got no other stories. So I'm just here, and you're just here watching me talk to you. It's amazing. I'm really lonely. I should probably go out and do something, but like, why go out and do something like outside if you can just make brownies? I don't know what that sound was, but brownies just beeped. So I'm gonna put these weird looking gloves back on, and I'm gonna get them out because I want some brownies. Ooh, they don't look done. Okay, where's the toothpick at? I hid it. Yeah, they're nowhere near done. I'm gonna put them in there for... I mean, they're raw. Yeah, right. I'll put it in for 10. 10 minutes should be good, because I feel like if I put it in for any longer, it's gonna burn, or I'm gonna burn the whole dormitory down. So I don't want to do either of those things, because I want to eat them and I want a place to sleep, so I think 10 minutes is the best option here. I decided that it would be a fabulous idea to make this because I'm hungry and I can't make actual noodles, so why not have the cup of them? If I can open it. We don't have a microwave still. This is what got burnt. Not by me again. Deku burnt it, so I never call him Deku. He deserves that. I'm dumping. That sounded weird. I was not dumping. That sounded weird. Okay. Oh, I have to hold it down. I've never used this thing before. Is that obvious? Okay. I think I put a little too much in there. Hold on. Okay. Now I'm just gonna let that sit. And try to hold it in my hand to see if I can heat it up more. I mean, it's already really heated though. I don't really need to, but... Okay, yeah, that's getting hot. And now we wait again! It's not hard, so that's good. You know, there's been a lot of sexual jokes in this video. I think it actually might be a little too hot. No, hold on. It's gonna make it more watery, but it'll make it colder. That ice cube is gone. Good soup. Okay, now let's see how they actually turned out. If they're done, that is, because I really just want to eat one of these damn brownies. Like, that's all I want to do. I want to eat a brownie. And if I can't do that by 6 o'clock tonight, I'm gonna be really mad. I threw the damn toothpick away. Okay. They're done! I'm excited. Now they need to cool, so I'm gonna leave them to cool. Turn this off because that's not safe. Put these back because Mina will kill me if I don't. She probably won't. She's too nice to kill me. But she probably will still injure me, so I put them back. Oh my god, the stupidest thing just happened. I just tried to put more water in my soup, and I burnt my thumb, and it gave me PTSD because I felt the boiling water again. I'm fine. It doesn't hurt as bad as it did. But ow! How stupid can I be? You can see the redness in my thumb. Honestly, it's not that bad, but ouch. 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 It hurt so bad. I thought that it wouldn't hurt. I was trying to, okay, hold on. Pretend this candle is the soup. I had this candle, okay? I was pouring the water, and I had that, like that. My thumb, it dripped down, and I went, ow! I feel so stupid. Okay. It's been about 20 minutes or so, and I want brownies. I want brownies. Don't worry, I'm not gonna kill anybody yet. I mean, I'm not gonna kill anybody at all. So I'm just gonna cut them. Everybody's gonna be so jealous when they get back because there's gonna be no brownies left because I'm gonna eat all of them. Just kidding. I'm probably not gonna eat all of them, but I'm gonna eat most of them. I can see that happening already. Can you cut? Did it. And oh my god. Did it. I have a low battery. Cool. Okay, I have no clue what these taste like because that didn't really... The knife is standing. I want a middle part, but I don't think I can get that. You know what? The ends are fine too. The ends are fine. Okay, maybe I can't get any. This is being really homophobic right now, and I don't like it. Did I get it? Did I get it? Wait. I think I got it. Yeah, I did it. Okay. I dropped it. They just taste normal like brownies. I mean, I didn't burn them, so that's a good thing. And they taste edible, so that's also a good thing. Meaning I didn't fail, and I can bake if it's from a box. Maybe in the next episode of Shoto Bakes Things, I'll make a cake. I think I'm gonna make this a series. That would be pretty rockin' if I made this a series. Okay, well, I guess that's the end of our journey because I made brownies and that was the purpose of the video. So, I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment down below if you want me to bake more things and burn more of my fingers. That's not gonna happen because I'm probably only gonna make soup once in this. Actually, that's a complete lie. I love soup too much to eat it once in a video. So, if you want more of this, comment down below. What do YouTubers say? Smash the like button. And yeah. Bye.